free vibration response. We have the critically damped, critically damped free vibration response. And we have lastly the over damped free vibration response. So natay equation of motion. This is for the free vibration response. And this equation of motion, which is a second order ordinary differential equation, pangitaan na to siya og solution. No? We are going to find the solution from this equation of motion for the undamped, for the underdamped, for the critically damped, and for the overdamped. So overall, we have four equations. We have four solutions for our equation of motion under the free vibration response. So let's have a brief review no, of our a basic mathematical principle lang. Now suppose we have a first order linear first order differential equation. And if we have this differential equation, so may buhato na to, di ba? We transpose this part on the side. So we arrive with this. And then by variable separable, we'll arrive with this. Now if we integrate both sides, the answer will be the natural logarithm of the u of t is equal to negative kt plus c. Now, the goal for this is to find the u of t. So that's why we apply exponential operation on the left and on the right hand side. So by applying the exponential operation, we arrive at the solution that u of t is equal to co e to the negative kt. Our co or c naught is the arbitrary constant. So take note ha, arbitrary constant, bisag unsa man ato pwede magamit ya, pwede c naught atong gamiton, pwede c, pwede A, pwede B, pwede D, E, F, G, so on and so forth. Basta, you just need to understand na arbitrary constant na siya. So, regardless of unsa yung itsura, basta kung inyo na nasabtan kung unsa na si arbitrary constant, dili na mo malibog. No? Take note that we can represent arbitrary constant with other letters. So, let's move on. So, kani siya, now we are going to use this as the general solution for our ODE. So gamit ka ining exponential function no when dealing with differential equations because kung ato ni i-differentiate si kuan exponential function ang resulta sa niya is just its own no a constant on its own mo na siya nakapabor ni exponential operation. Okay, so mo to siya no. And then let's review no this superposition principle. No, what do we mean by superposition principle? So we have two parts here. Ingon siya kung ang solution do kuno sa homogeneous linear differential equation is multiplied by a constant, ang resulting do nga function is also a solution. So let's say you have an ordinary differential equation and then that ordinary differential equation or the solution of that is multiplied by a constant, ang kana daw nga ma-form nga function gyapon will also be a solution. And the other one, the sum of two solutions is also a solution. So ang sum daw sa duha ka solution will also be a solution of the ordinary differential equation. So di ba if you remember nga the general solution of the kuan naman tay katong plus c, di ba or e to the c whatsoever depende sa kuan sa ODE. So pasabot depende sa initial conditions no natay lain nga solution for the ODE. So by superposition principle, if we add down na to ang duha ka solutions, that will still form part as the solution of our ODE. So for example, now let's go back sa ato ang kwan, equation of motion. So let's say no the solution is equal to C1 P1. So if we substitute this there, since naman tayo u dot ug u double dot, so we are going to get the first derivative of this one. So we have C1 P dot 1 and u double dot is equal to C1 phi double dot 1. If we substitute that to our ODE, yan yung itsura, no? Mass times C1 phi double dot 1 plus the damping coefficient times C1 phi dot 1 plus the lateral stiffness times C1 phi 1 is equal to 0. And we can notice that C1 is a common factor. If you multiply the whole equation with 1 over C1, you are left with in this form. So this will as well still form part a solution of our differential equation. Now, if we have two solution, like let's say if we have U1 and U2, now we use C phi 1, C1 phi 1, and C2 phi 2. Now we can use the sum of this solution as and the sum of the solution as a solution as well of our ODE. So ato ni demonstrate later on. So if we have the kuan, those two solution, diba we have these two solution. So the sum of those will still be it will still form part as the solution of our ODE, diba? So since we have two unknowns, unsa may maitabuan ni? Since we have two unknowns, we need two equations to solve the unknowns. So unsa na to pagkuha sa two equations, no? We are going to use initial conditions. There. So mo na din yung itsura. No, mass times r squared GE to the RT plus the damping coefficient times RGE to the RT plus K or lateral stiffness times the GE to the RT is equal to 0. Now, common factor man ni siya sa tanan, di ba? Okay, so since that is a common factor, we divide the whole equation with GE to the RT. Ang mabilin, MR squared plus CR plus K is equal to 0. Now, you divide the whole equation with M or you multiply with 1 over M. Ingani din niya ang final form. R squared plus C over M times R plus K over M. So, asa nagikan si R? Katong diri, oh. Mo ni siya. Si C, kisa na si C? C is the damping coefficient. Si M, M is the mass, K is the lateral stiffness. Okay. So, kani siya, gitawag na to ni siya og characteristic or auxiliary equation of the differential of this differential equation. So, mo nang tawagan na kadumdum mo sa una sa inyo ang integral calculus, di ba? If namo y double prime plus 4y prime plus y is equal to 0. And then nikalit lang din og r squared plus 4r plus 1 is equal to 0. And then nagkuha mo roots ato, so on and so forth. So kani siya, this is the characteristic equation or the auxiliary equation ani nga differential equation. Same gyapon ani. This one is a characteristic equation or auxiliary equation ani ato ang ordinary differential equation, no? This one. Okay, since we have already our characteristic equation sa atong ODE, mas dali na siya i-solve. Di ba? Mas dali na siya i-solve kaysa magamit aning mu double dot of t plus kay kung yung tanaw na mo siyang quadratic equation from second order ordinary differential equation, no? Much better siya compared ani. Okay. So unsa may next step? Dili na din ta mag-apply sa kuan. Ato ang cases, okay? Pero natay idugang ha kani si omega. Unsa na si omega? Omega, di na siya W ha, omega na. Ang English alphabet, sa English nga alphabet, that is letter O. Omega. So omega is equal to, that is the natural frequency. Kaya naman mo itong sa SITch, di ba ingon ko nga ang SITch, no? When the natural frequency of the water body matches the frequency of the earthquake waves. Sa may tabo, the water body will resonate, no? Masabay si water body kang earthquake waves. Ang natural frequency ato, no, mo ni siya ginapasabot. C omega. Unsay formula ni omega? Is square root of k over m, no? That is our stiffness over the mass. That is the formula of omega. And kainomdom mo sa katong auxiliary equation nato, that is r squared plus c over m times r plus k over m is equal to 0. So atong auxiliary equation ato pa ni siyang i-simplify pag ayo, no? Di ba natin k over m? So ato nang i-relate diri. Since omega is equal to square root of k over m, kung i-square na to na si omega, di ba? Mahimo na lang na siya k over m. Mahimo na siya k over m. So pwede na to ni substitute si omega squared diri. So atong auxiliary equation, mahimo na lang siyang r squared plus c over m r plus omega squared is equal to 0. And then now, naano ta sa case 1, no? Undamped free vibration response. Pasabot sa undamped, walay damping. So our C is equal to 0. Since C is equal to 0, we are left with R squared plus omega squared is equal to 0. Mo ni siya. This is the auxiliary equation for the undamped free vibration response. Okay. So may next. Since we have a quadratic equation, na to og roots. So this will become r squared is equal to negative omega squared. Extract to square root on both sides. We have r is equal to positive and negative I omega. Positive and negative I omega. Anong I omega? Unsa man ni si I? Si I is the square root of negative 1. Since naman tayo duha ka root sa r, and then di ba kay nung mo nga u is equal to unsa to ge to the rt, kani nga r mo ni siya si root. Since naman tayo duha ka root, mo din tong natay duha ka solution. Our solution u, general solution is equal to, may mo na siya g1e to the r1t plus g2 e to the r2t. Doon na tong roots. We have positive I omega, we have negative I omega. Substitute na natin mong roots. Our u is equal to g1 e to the I omega t plus g2 e to the negative I omega t. Di ba? Nagkadaghan na, nagkabuang na. Mao din siya si general solution nato. For now, for the undamped free vibration response. So, sa may next buhaton, tanawa ang equation. G1 and G2 are the arbitrary constants. No, they are unknown. To equation to unknown pasabot kinahanglan taog ay to unknowns pasabot kinahanglan taog to equations aron masulbad ang unknowns. Unsa man atong kuan buhaton gani? We are going to consider the initial conditions. Unsa man ang initial conditions nato? Kuan natong initial conditions when the time is equal to 0. Okay, so let's move on. So di ba this is our atong equation, and then we are going to solve for the G1 and the G2. Say buhaton initial conditions. Initial conditions at time is equal to 0. So at time is equal to 0, our u of 0 is equal to u naught. No? Pareha na u of 0 og u naught. Mas dali lang na isulat si u naught. So, and then, so kani ato na nag-substitute, no? U naught is equal to G1 e to the I omega times 0. Kay time is equal to 0 ba ya? Plus G2 e to the negative I omega times 0. So, yung anin na din yung itsura dayon. G1 e to the 0 plus G2 e to the 0. Mabili na lang din kay G1 plus G2. So, mo ni ang first, no? U naught is equal to G1 plus G2. So, next step. This one, ato siyang i-differentiate. So, kuhaan nato siya og first derivative. So, first derivative, di ba, U dot of t is equal to I omega G1 e to the I omega t minus I omega G2 e to the negative I omega t. And then, apply din nato. At time is equal to 0, di ba? At U dot of 0, our initial nga kuan response velocity ato na siya tawagon og u dot of 0 pwede sad u dot not. Pareha na sila meaning ha. They can be used interchangeably, you know? But ako mas prefer na ko gamit nga ni kay para wala parenthesis isulat. So we have u dot not is equal to I omega G1 e to the I omega t minus I omega G2 e to the negative I omega t. By the way, kay initial kuan man di ay ni, di ba? Initial conditions man na time is equal to 0. Substitute na nato si 0. So I omega G1 e to the I omega times 0 minus G2 e to the minus I omega G2 e to the negative I omega times 0. Amo na din iyang itsura. I omega G1 e to the 0 minus I omega G2 e to the 0. And mo din ang resulting nga itsura niya. U dot naught is equal to I omega G1 minus I omega G2. Rewrite lang nato ni si U dot naught, no? We factor out I omega. We're left with I omega and then times quantity G1 minus G2. Wala na to na si I omega. No? We multiply it with the whole equation. Mahimo din ni siyang U dot naught over I omega is equal to G1 minus G2. So, ako lang ni i-rewrite diri. We have U naught is equal to G1 plus G2. Natanawa. Dali na din kayo. Masolve na nato si G1 o si G2. Pwede by substitution, pwede by elimination. No? Depende na ninyo. Unsaw na ninyo pag kuha si G1 o si G2. So after actually this is a system of linear equation. After solving for the system of linear equation, after makuha mo si G1 o G2, this is the G1. G1 is equal to 1/2 times quantity U naught plus U dot naught over I omega. And this is G2. Because 1/2 times quantity U naught minus U dot naught over I omega. So say next step. Okay na si G1. Okay na si G2. Next na po na to buhaton. Walaon na to si kaning I. Okay, hasol ka ayo ni. No, kanin natin mga imaginary So unsa may buhaton next, no? We have ang G1, G2 secured na. Ang next na pod is kaning naay. So atong buhaton, now we apply Taylor series. Pero for the e to the x or katong e to the positive negative I omega t. Okay? So we apply Taylor series for that expanded around x is equal to 0. So sa ato pa, this is an special case of a Taylor series. Now we call this Maclaurin series. Maclaurin series. Now where our center of expansion is at 0. So if you expand ato na using Taylor series, na ma-form ang kuan. No? Common nga siya? Common nga distribution. Ang ma-form, that is in this form. E to the negative I, e to the I omega t is, or positive negative I omega t is equal to cosine omega t plus minus I sine omega t. We call this the Euler's equation. Okay. So, kani si Euler's equation, no? Ato ni apply na dayon sa ato ang atong general solution. Naanay G1, naanay G2, and then we apply the Euler's equation. So, mo ni siya na si Euler's equation. E to the positive negative I omega t is equal to cosine omega t plus minus I sine omega t. Then, di ba, kanano mo si G1, that is 1/2 times quantity U naught plus U dot naught over I omega. And si G2 is equal to 1/2 times quantity U naught minus U dot naught over I omega. Diba? So, nanay G1, and let me rewrite no. Diba? The general solution is equal to G1 e to the I omega t plus G2 e to the negative I omega t. Okay na si G1, okay na si G2, okay na sad si e to the I omega t o si e to the negative I omega t. Substitute nato ni siya sa ato ang exponential nga kuan functions and si G1 o si G2, and then no, you substitute everything, multiply and then simplify, we will arrive in this equation. Now this is the solution of the differential equation nga mass times acceleration plus the stiffness times the displacement is equal to 0. Okay, very good. So grabe no, taas-taas pa ni siya nga process og kuan pa nato ni elaborate pa na nato ni si G1 o G2 then si so kaning si Euler's equation. So now we have already our solution to the general equation. Na nakaingon man ta nga mao na gini ang solution. Wala nay arbitrary constants, no, na-solve na ni. Wala na say mga kaning mga imaginary or complex nga numbers. Everything there can be achieved na dayon, no? Naa na si U naught, si omega makuha na to na, that is square root of k over m. The time is given, di ba? Or makuha na to na as initial velocity. Then everything can now be solved. So this is the equation of motion, the solution of the equation of motion for the undamped free vibration response. Undamped pa niya, free vibration response. Lahi ang ato ang solution for the damped free vibration response. Kung under damp siya, critically damp, and over damp. Questions no on this part? Clarifications? Do you have something in mind na nalibog mo aning part? Mr. Mantikahon? Miss Gulam?
Sir,
Belmonte?
may question, sir.
Yes, Mr. Maape.
Sa ganinang kuan, sir, kaning unit sa final solution, sir.
Kanang unit?
Ganing
Si,
use.
kani lagi? Unit. This one.
Yes, sir.
Si unit mo na si kuan. Mo na siya si initial displacement. Di ba si U is displacement? So na ganitay kanang sub-zero or U naught or not, no, it refers to the initial nga displacement. So kani ding U dot not, di ba? First derivative of U, that is the velocity, di ba? So that is the initial velocity. Natubag ra ba or napakay kuan? Nalibog pagid siya, Mr. Maape.
Dili na siya mean, sir, ba na kanang initial displacement zero gyud. Dili na siya.
Dili,
Nga na.
dili, oo. Dili na siya ingon nga ang initial displacement is zero. Ang ato lang pasabot when we see the initial conditions, no, this is at time is equal to zero. No, kanang wala pa gyud ni kuan ba? Time is equal to 0 second pa. Na okay ra, nasabtan ra, Mr. Maape?
Okay, sir.
Pag sure ba?
Okay na, sir. Nakuha na, clarify na.
Okay, sige, thank you. How about sa uban diha? About the others? Mr. Belmonte, wala na, may pangutana. Sa Beliano,
Sir, nakapikal ako, sir. Di ba,
sa to?
KOM na. Si Omega, sir ba?
Si Omega nga naman.
Di ba, K over M na. Dili na na siya pwede.
Square
Because
root
general.
of K over M. Mana siya si Kuan, si Omega.
So, if mag-solve lugar, sir, unahan sa Omega lugar, sir.
Oh,
Para,
imo na ni Kuan dayon. Kani si K is either given or imo na i-solve. Dali naman ni si K sad. And then the mass is as well given, no? I-ensure lang gyud nga uniform ang units. So i-solve nimo na si Omega para na kay Kuan. Omega daan. Aya din ka mag substitute diri kay mas dali siya kung mag-solve kag omega daan kaysa sa mag square root of k over m pa kano taas kayo.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sige, ang uban diya, walay pangutana diya. Tabeliano, Casil,
None, sir.
None so far po, sir.
Miss Bunny, wala. Si Miss Maribel Anyesco Torion, may mga questions? Miss Galibot,
Wala na, sir. So far, sir.
yes, Mr. Basilio.
Ay, good morning, sir. Mag-ask unta ko, sir, ba if kanang nakay sample problema na soon, sir, nga magpakita nga sa pag-solve sa case, sir?
Yes, maghatag kog sample problem after na nato makuha tanan equation solution sa katong upat ka free vibration response.
Sige, sige, sir.
Maghatag kog samples ani. So ang ako lang ibuhat karon is gi-derive sa nato ang solution no sa katong upat ka condition katong undamp. The first one is undamp, then katong underdamp, the critically damp, and then si overdamp. Ato sa ning kuan ilang solution, then para ano na isa na lang din kadaganan diretso na dayon problem, tapos after sa problem ato din siyang i-analyze if ang problem ba is undamp, if ang problem ba is underdamp, critically damp ba siya and overdamp. And then ato din isolve ang iyang response. So when we say response Yes?
Ini-quiz lugar ni sir kay dili na may kailangan mag-derive sir. Kay na naman solution. Ay equation.
Dili na kung ang given is katong kuan na kaning mga everything na no kaning km ana. Di na mo kinahanglan mag-derive kataas kayo na i-derive. Time consuming kayo ni. Karon lang gani nga session no pila na 1 hour 1 hour na, di ba? So kanila and then kani pa lang gani diri kay medyo kuti na gani ni diri no. Libog ni siya. Pero if kuan lang jud malibog mo no, you just ask. But depende, you should be familiar with the derivation kay basta hindi mag-quiz kog derivation. Di ba? No calculations, just derivation of the solutions.
Aray ko kaya na sir.
Unsa?
Aray ko.
Wala kuan na jud practice. How about the others? Wala na gyud? Mendanyo? Miss
None, sir.
Mendanyo? Okay, sige, sige. Let's move on. Okay. So, kato si Kuan, this is the solution, di ba, of the undamped free vibration response. Kung ato na siyang i-graph, no, inganin na itsura. Displacement versus time. So, ingani, no? Pag yung mamatikdan, wala nagkagamay. Constant ang amplitude. So, this happens when C is equal to 0. Kano nung katong first na to nga kuan? Idealization. Naalante mass, and then we have our stiffness K. Unsa may behavior ato pag ato siya i-displace, 'di ba? The structure will move perpetually, 'di ba? Perpetual ang motion. Mao ni siya. This is iyang equation. Though this is not realistic no, but we need to to analyze this one. Magsugod ta diri sa katong wala pay damping. Then later, ato dayong i-appeal na to si damping. And then this is the period. That is capital T ha. So that is ang period is kanang ang total ang time no to complete a cycle. So when we say complete a cycle no from that point up to that point no, that is a complete cycle. Kung ato ning i-draw, this is actually circle. Munang cycle. So ang time nga makomplete tong circle or cycle, we call that the period. So mo ni siya, di ba? So ang period that is equal to 2 pi over omega or 1 over frequency. Ang unit ani is in seconds. Kana si F, now that is omega over 2 pi. Sa may unit ani, unit niya is in cycle per seconds or hertz. Si omega, ang yang unit ani is in radians per seconds. No, take note of this. Kita kan kasayop ani. Si F, this is the ginatawag nato ni siya natural cyclic frequency. So, anong cyclic kay cycles man yang ginakuha na ni, gina-measure. And then this one, this is the natural, katong ginatawag natong natural frequency or natural circular frequency. Unit is radians per seconds. This one is cycle per seconds or hertz. And the period is in seconds. Questions so far sa itong process? Kani? Libog siya, no? No, you should practice. So, itong gibuhat na nini, again, we have the equation of motion. And then sa free vibration response, diba itong gibuhat is we have the equation of motion. Cu dot plus Ku is equal to the applied dynamic force. But since this is a free vibration response, the P is equal to 0. So for the free vibration response, the ODE is in this form, to 0. Now we have by using U is equal to GE to the RT, And we applied this one in that equation, and we have arrived at r squared plus c over m times r plus k over m is equal to 0. Now, this is the auxiliary or the characteristic equation of that ordinary differential equations. Tapos, we apply, diba, that the natural frequency is equal to the square root of k over m. So, if we square both sides, we have omega squared is equal to k over m. So, itong auxiliary equation na transform na into r squared plus c over m times r plus omega squared is equal to 0. Now, natay two major case, di ba? We have two major case for the free vibration response. Ang case 1, that is when C is equal to 0, tawag na to na is undamped. No? There is no damping. So, mo to siya nga, the structure will vibrate perpetually. Okay, wala may kuan energy dissipating mechanism. Case 2, we have the damped free vibration response. Now, when our C is not equal to 0. But si damped free vibration response, napagitay 3 cases ani. We have the underdamped, we have the critically damped, and then we have the overdamped. So in the next discussions, no, ato ning i-calculate na to ang solutions for the underdamped, critically damped, and overdamped. And we are going to compare vibrations ni undamped o kaning underdamped, critically damped, and overdamped. Ano niyo makita unsay difference aning upat, no, when it comes to vibration, when it comes to cycle. So in the undamped, i-undamp mo na tong first solve, di ba? Since C is equal to 0, ang ato ang auxiliary equation or characteristic equation has become r squared plus omega squared is equal to 0. So since this is, so dali na kayo, no, from ordinary differential equations, na mo siyang quadratic equation. Mas dali na siya i-solve. Since this is a quadratic equation, we take the roots. The roots of this one is positive, negative, I, omega. And then we just, since there are two roots, so our general solution became in this form. So we just substitute root 1 and the root 2 in the equation. And since there are two unknowns, we need to get two equations. Asa gikan ng two equations, time is equal to 0. We have our u naught and u dot naught. From here, we can get our G1 and G2. Next is kaning si I, no? This is perwisyo man ni si I. So we apply the Euler's equation. Euler's equation, atong e to the positive negative I omega t is equal to cosine omega t plus minus I sine omega t. Now, we substitute everything, the value of G1, G2, and then the Euler's equation. And then we have arrived sa ato ang, kato na dayon, nakabot na dito sa ato ang general solution, sa ato ang solution for the undamped free vibration response. Muna siya for the undamped free vibration response. So this is the period. Dili lang ni sa undamped pa, but for all cases, that is equal to 2 pi over the natural frequency, or equal siya sa 1 over the cyclic frequency. So more likely, nga ni mo gid inyo i-solve kay ang inyo bang count is the omega ba yan, no? Which is equal to square root of k over m. K over m. Okay, so I think that's all for our discussion today. Now, if you have further questions, then you may send me a message in the messenger, or you may send a message in the GC. Yun ang mga kalibugan. And then, yes,
Sir, sige sir.
Kung nagpunta aming inaaming cancer, CPT nga nanay ka pong inaang gidiscuss, kanang gisulat nito.
Pwede ra mag-send ko, Miss Gilebot.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Ngayon tama na, sir. May mas masabtan mo na mo, sir, pag ang process, mas balik
Pero-
mo ka, sir, mamar.
Pero nasa kikuha na ni explanation, na ko video nga explanation to ni sa YouTube po. Magkatag na lang kog link sa inyo ha for reference.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Okay, sige. So that's all for today. See you next week and have a great day ahead, everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.